How was your learning journey with TWS over 6 months?
Doing this course was a very, a thing that we learned everything into depth. So thanks to TWS for teaching us what all goes into wedding planning and event planning.
These months have been so exciting. So I am from IT, and then getting an insight into the world of weddings was amazing. And I met really good, batchmates, and I got a lot to learn from all of them.
4 months we did the online session classes. It did not feel like it felt like being a part of a family. There were so many interactive sessions, especially the review lectures, wherein we got that personal touch about our work.
From all the subject, which one was a game changer?
My favorite subject was elementary of designs because I'm more into decor and designs. So, which was taken by Harpreet Singh sir. Also, the one session which was taken by Mr. Shravan Maddiraju. So, the grandeur of wedding is what we learnt in that session, was really interesting.
So basically, I am like a blank slate for this field. So anything that I could learn out of all of these sessions was so amazing. So I cannot pinpoint one of them, but I think all of them were extremely amazing and knowledgeable for me.
And lectures with Hemant sir and Marisha ma'am and were my favorite. And one of the favorite lecture was with Shruti ma'am, the owner of Saw Flowers, who was a florist, and she really made us understand how flowers have the impact over the whole decor. It not only adds to the aesthetics, but also to so many emotions over the place. So that was one of my favorite lectures.
If you had to pick one lesson from TWS, what would it be?
I got to know how to improve my problem solving skills in a very pressurized atmosphere, especially during weddings, during an event when some things do not work according to your plan. And I got to learn how to walk on feet the whole day while keeping your mind cool, no matter जो आपने सोचा है वो हो नहीं रहा है कभी-कभी, but you have to be like very much attentive and तुम्हारा problem solving skill on point होना चाहिए. तो वो मुझे लगा कि मेरा थोड़ा improve हुआ है.
After the course, I feel I am a lot inspired. I am hearing so many stories from so many wonderful people. So I think what I am right now is more inspired to pursue things that I really want to do, and I feel more confident of doing it after looking at all the great examples that I have here.